And welcome to the Option Pit Simple Trade of the Week. I'm Mark Sebastian. If you have questions about any of this, feel free to email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Reminder, this is just for educational purposes. I'm showing you how a pro thinks about directional trades. Should not be construed as any type of investment advice because it is not. Consult your professional if you're looking for investment advice, not an educator such as myself. So I was looking at XLF, and I'm noticing that XLF in particular, nice little breakout here. All right, after really kind of trudging along for a nice period of time. And if you look, where's the breakout coming from? The answer is, Goldman Sachs looks okay. Not near the all-time high yet. Bank of America, not doing anything special. Citigroup, nice move, but nothing awesome. Fargo, nothing awesome. So where's this push coming from? JP Morgan, which is at an all-time high and is really killing it in terms of how well they run their businesses. So then if I look at the volatility, all right, there's an old saying, before I move on to volatility, there's an old saying. You know what a stock's going to do when it hits an all-time high? Go higher. And I'm really a believer in this. And I think, we may see JP Morgan soften today, but I think we're going to see this maybe threaten 70 by the end of the year. And in the near term, certainly 66, 67, somewhere in that range. All right, there's a 2-year chart. Here's the 6-month, 3-month. Now look at the volatility. Volatility right near a 3-month low, but if you look at the year, you got a couple of dips when things were really low. You're not going to see vol that low with the Federal Reserve for some time. But that being said, I don't think premium levels are going to get much lower. All right, dirt cheap. So as I look across the field of potential trades, one that strikes out is there's a big vol jump between June 26th and July. So, I'll pay a quarter for an extra week of time. All right. So if I look here, I've got a couple options. I can look at the 65s, which are slightly in the money, the 65.5s, which are right at the money. And really, if I'm just looking at different trades, I'd probably lean toward the 66s for $1.20 or the 66.5s for $1. That would potentially be one that we're doing. So let me look here. I think I'm going to do these 66 calls, and I'm going to try and pay $1.60. Oh, I don't want it as a complex order. Duh. Need it this way. I'm going to try and pay $1.20. And you can see everybody and their brother joined me. But you can see the way the markets tighten up once you put a one-lot live order. Do you see the effect it can have on the markets? It's pretty incredible, isn't it? Must be the Sebastian touch. That's true. You can see there is some trading going on. And you can see the offer is moving toward my bid, not the other way around. And I'm sitting on the American Stock Exchange. I can actually see my one lot. And then you're going to see, well, this is me being able to track my own order. I'm assuming I'm on NASDAQ now. See, they moved it to the NASDAQ, which may take a little longer to fill. So let's see, now it's down to 126. You see what's happening here? Sometimes it takes patience in letting the order come to you. So now we've got a real market where we're 120.26 and there's real size. So we've discovered the market. Now, there's still a huge offer, so it's still more offered. And if I bid 123, I will get snapped right away, which I'm not going to do. So I'm going to keep working on. I'm going to keep working this order, and this will be the one that I end up filling. I will own this by the end of the day, and we'll track this one. Now, update on my Facebook trade. Facebook is a little higher, but volatility has come right back to where it was, and a week has passed. So far, my July Facebook calls are down a little bit. They're down about 20 cents. I'm a believer that this is going to go back to above 80, and I'm hanging on to my my little one lot. That's why I set it in July, so I have lots of time. All right. Again, folks, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will talk to you soon. And I hope everybody has if you got questions, you can email me or call me. MarketOptionPit.com, 888-TRADE-01.